Hello, and thank you for checking out my channel today. Today I just want to show you a cake recipe that I love to put together. There are no eggs in this, no butter. It's one bowl, quick and easy chocolate cake. So come along and let me show you how I put this wonderful cake together. It is so delicious. You could double this recipe if you wanted a two-layer cake. This cake is just the perfect amount for the two of us at our house. Look how delicious this looks. The way I start out with my flour is I always measure my flour, because if you just take a cup of flour and dump it in a bowl, it's going to be a lot more than you need. In this recipe, we need a cup and a half of flour, so you are going to need 180 grams of flour. Moving on to the sugar, it calls for 1 cup of sugar, and I don't like to put the full cup in. It still turns out just as good, so you decide. And then we're going to use a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. I just love these magnetic measuring spoons and cups. I can leave a link to them if you're interested, but they fit right in. They have the narrower edge to fit into the jar. Then once you get that all done, you're going to combine the flour, all the ingredients together, and get ready to put the wet ingredients together. Now we're going to take 1 cup of water, and to that I'm going to be adding this lemon packets. I buy this because I never seem to have lemon on hand. This way it never goes bad, or it seems like it lasts a very long time. And 2 packets is exactly what I need. If you have lemon juice, you could just add 1 tablespoon of that, or 1 tablespoon of distilled vinegar will work as well. And then we're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla and 6 tablespoons of your favorite oil. I like avocado oil. And then pour everything in to the dry ingredients and give it a good mix, and get ready to put it into your pan. This will feel a little bit looser than what you find with a cake mix, but just trust the process. I am going to spray the sides of the pan, but I'm going to put parchment down on the bottom, and I do not have a round that is the perfect size for this, so I'm just going to use my pan as a guide. Put this right in the middle, and then I'm just going to cut around it, and it'll be the perfect circle. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and I will be baking this for 30 minutes and inserting a toothpick, and when that comes out clean, it is ready. And then once the cake is done, I will bring it out and I will cool it on a rack, just like this, and just let it hang out. I'm just going to leave that plastic liner on there just so it doesn't come apart, and let it sit there for 10 or 15 minutes till it's cool to the touch. Now I feel like I can do it. I'm just going to tilt this cake pan, perfect, just like that. Pull that liner off and get ready to put the frosting on. I just put this frosting together really quick. It is just powdered sugar, a little bit of water, and what else? Butter and vanilla also went into it. And I liked it. I like it a little thinner sometimes. Sometimes I go for a thicker frosting. But today I thought it'd be kind of fun to just kind of have it run off the sides. And to dress it up just a little bit, I'm going to put some sprinkles on the top. I have made this cake several times, and I love how quick it comes together, how quick you can have chocolate cake, and I hope you give this recipe a try. It is so delicious and so very moist. The first piece is always the hardest one to get out. This cake never disappoints. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching.